Ever wondered how to turn your kitchen into a chef's paradise without breaking the bank? Look no further. Today, we're unveiling the top 20 kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it tools that will make your cooking faster, easier, and more fun. From espresso machines that rival your favorite café air fryers that crisp up your meals to perfection, these gadgets are game changers. Whether you're a cooking newbie or a kitchen pro, these must-haves will elevate your culinary game. Let's dive in. Number 1. Are you dreaming of caf-quality espresso right in your own kitchen? The Breville Barista Express Espresso machine might just be your ticket to barista bliss. This all-in-one machine combines a built-in conical burr grinder with precise espresso extraction technology, allowing you to go from whole beans to a perfect shot in under a minute. With digital temperature control and a powerful steam wand, you can craft lattes and cappuccinos that rival your favorite coffee shop. Its stainless steel construction not only looks sleek, but is built to last, though regular maintenance is key for longevity. Whether you're a coffee novice or a seasoned enthusiast, the Barista Express offers versatility to experiment with different grinds and milk textures. This machine is a worthy investment. Best for coffee enthusiasts craving caf-quality drinks at home. Number 2. Want to cook like a pro without the hassle? The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker is your secret weapon. This innovative device lets you cook food to the exact temperature you desire, ensuring juicy, tender results every time. Simply place your food in a vacuum-sealed bag, set the desired temperature, and let the cooker work its magic. With dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and control your cook from your smartphone, making it perfect for multitasking. Its powerful 1100 watts motor and precise temperature control make it ideal for everything from steak and salmon to vegetables and desserts. Compact and easy to store, it also features a removable stainless steel skirt for effortless cleaning. Whether you're new to Sous Vide or a seasoned chef, this cooker will take your dishes to the next level. Best for home cooks seeking restaurant-quality precision in meats, vegetables, and desserts. Number 3. Craving pizzeria-style pizza at home? The PIEZANO Crispy Crust Pizza Oven delivers just that. This countertop marvel heats up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking delicious, stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes, far hotter than your standard oven. Its natural ceramic stone ensures even heat distribution for a perfectly crispy crust every time, while the adjustable heat control and built-in thermometer give you full command over the cooking process. Electric-powered and compact, it fits seamlessly on your countertop, and its suction cup base keeps it steady. Whether you're making a quick weeknight dinner or hosting a family pizza night, this oven is a must-have for pizza lovers. Plus, it's easy to clean, just remove the stone and wipe it down. Best for pizza lovers wanting authentic crispy crusts at home. Number 4. Looking for a healthier way to fry? The COSORI Air Fryer is here to revolutionize your cooking. With its TurboBlaze technology, this 6-quart air fryer delivers crispy, juicy perfection in record time, using up to 95% less oil than traditional frying. Its 9-in-1 functionality lets you roast, bake, broil, reheat, and more, all with precise temperature control from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The spacious square basket fits family-sized meals, while the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. Quiet operation and a sleek design make it a countertop favorite. Number 5. Take your coffee game to the next level with the SHARDOR Professional Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. This grinder offers 48 adjustable settings, allowing you to dial in the perfect grind for everything from espresso to French press. Its conical burrs operate at low speeds to minimize heat and preserve the coffee's natural oils for optimal flavor. The anti-static technology ensures grounds flow smoothly without sticking, while the large 9.7-ounce bean hopper keeps you ready for multiple brews. With a precision electronic timer and intuitive touchscreen, adjusting grind time is effortless. Compact and stylish, this grinder is a must-have for any coffee aficionado looking to elevate their morning ritual. Best for coffee aficionados wanting precise grinds for various brewing methods. Number 6. Streamline your cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus Multicooker. This 9-in-1 appliance does it all: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and more. With 15 one-touch programs, you can tackle everything from hearty soups to decadent cakes with ease. Its intuitive display and detachable power cord make it user-friendly and easy to store. The stainless steel pot is perfect for searing and sautéing, while the dishwasher's safe lid and inner pot simplify cleanup. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or cooking for a crowd, its 6-quart capacity has you covered. With over 10 safety mechanisms, you can cook with confidence. It's the ultimate kitchen workhorse. Best for busy cooks needing a versatile, all-in-one appliance. Number 7. Indulge your sweet tooth with the Ninja CREAMi ice cream maker. This versatile appliance turns almost anything into ice cream: sorbet, gelato, milkshakes, and more. With 7 one-touch programs, you can customize your treats to your exact preferences, from low sugar to dairy-free. The Creamify technology ensures a smooth, creamy texture every time, while the mix-in function lets you add your favorite toppings like chocolate, nuts, or fruit. Its compact size and dishwasher-safe components make it perfect for small kitchens and easy cleanup. Number 8. Perfect your lattes and cappuccinos with the Casimhu stainless steel 4-in-1 electric milk frother. This compact powerhouse creates thick, warm foam, light, warm foam, cold foam, and warm milk with ease. Its 500 watts motor delivers professional-grade froth in just 2 minutes, making it ideal for busy mornings. The non-stick interior ensures easy cleaning, and its compact size fits perfectly on any countertop. Whether you're using dairy or plant-based milk, this frother delivers creamy barista-quality results. It's a must-have for coffee lovers who demand perfection in every cup. Best for coffee lovers seeking barista-quality foam at home. Number 9. Blend your way to healthier meals with the Ninja Bee L642 Nutri Ninja Blender. This 1200 watts powerhouse tackles everything from smoothies to sauces with ease, thanks to its rust-proof Pro extractor blades. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, with preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Its 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, while the single-serve cups make it easy to take your creations on the go. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or prepping a family-sized batch of soup, this blender does it all. Best for smoothie enthusiasts and families needing versatile blending. Number 10. Extend the life of your food with a Nesco Deluxe Food Vacuum Sealer. This versatile machine offers 3 sealing settings: dry, moist, and double, ensuring maximum freshness for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. Its 130 watts double vacuum pump provides optimal performance, while the built-in bag cutter and storage compartment make it user-friendly. Perfect for meal prepping, freezing leftovers, or storing bulk ingredients, this sealer is a game-changer for any kitchen. Its compact size and easy operation make it a must-have for busy cooks. Best for meal preppers and bulk shoppers wanting to extend food freshness. Number 11. Chop, slice, shred, and puree with ease using the Hamilton Beach Food Processor. This 450 watts powerhouse comes with a built-in bowl scraper, saving you time and effort during cleanup. Its large feed chute reduces prep time, while the 2-speed control and pulse function give you precise control over your ingredients. The 10-cup bowl capacity is perfect for large batches, and all parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Whether you're making salsa, shredding cheese, or chopping veggies, this food processor is your kitchen's new best friend. Number 12. Start your day with fresh, nutrient-packed juice using the QCen Juicer machine. This 500 watts centrifugal juicer features a wide 3-inch feed tube, reducing prep time by allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables. Its dual speed control lets you tackle both soft and hard ingredients with ease, while the safety lock and overload protection ensure worry-free operation. The stainless steel filter basket is easy to clean, and the juicer's compact design fits perfectly on any countertop. Perfect for health-conscious individuals, this juicer makes it easy to incorporate fresh juice into your daily routine. Best for health-conscious individuals wanting fresh, nutrient-rich juices. Number 13. Every kitchen needs a reliable chef's knife, and the PAUDIN chef knife delivers. This 8-inch high-carbon stainless steel knife is perfect for chopping, slicing, mincing, and dicing. Its ergonomic wood handle provides a comfortable grip, while the hand-polished blade ensures long-lasting sharpness. Lightweight yet durable, this knife is ideal for both home cooks and professionals. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or tackling a culinary project, this knife is your go-to tool. Number 14. Boil water faster than ever with the Chefman electric kettle. This 1500 watts kettle heats up to 1.8 liters of water in just 3 minutes, making it perfect for tea, coffee, or instant noodles. Its borosilicate glass body and stainless steel accents give it a sleek, modern look, while the blue LED lights add a touch of elegance. Safety features like automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection ensure peace of mind, and the cordless design makes it easy to pour. Compact and efficient, this kettle is a must-have for any kitchen. Best for tea and coffee lovers needing fast, safe boiling. Number 15. Never overcook or undercook again with the ThermoPro TP3B digital meat thermometer. This instant red thermometer delivers accurate readings in just 3-5 seconds, with a range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 Fahrenheit. Its fold-away probe and compact design make it portable and easy to store, while the backlit LCD display ensures readability in any lighting. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or baking, this thermometer is a must-have for any cook who wants perfect results every time. Number 16. Precision is key in the kitchen, and the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale delivers just that. This digital scale measures in 5 units, with increments as precise as 1 gram. Its sleek stainless steel design and backlit LCD display make it both functional and stylish. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for weighing ingredients for baking, portioning meals, or even weighing small items like jewelry. With its tare function and auto-off feature, it's as user-friendly as it is accurate. Best for bakers and meal preppers needing precise measurements. Number 17. Make opening cans a breeze with the Ultrablade Pro Auto Stop Can Opener. This rechargeable electric can opener features true one-touch operation and auto shoot-off for hands-free convenience. Its side-cut technology leaves smooth edges, and the magnetic lid lifter makes removing lids effortless. Compact and wall-mountable, it's perfect for small kitchens or RV living. Ideal for seniors, left-handed users, or anyone looking for a quicker, easier way to open cans. Best for seniors or anyone needing an easy, hands-free can opener. Number 18. Perfect eggs every time with a Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This compact cooker can make up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, plus poached eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelets. Its simple operation and auto shoot-off feature make it foolproof, while the included accessories fit neatly inside for easy storage. Perfect for busy mornings or meal prepping, this cooker is a must-have for egg lovers. Best for egg lovers wanting quick, perfect results. Number 19. Keep your countertops clean with the Zulay Silicone Utensil Rest. This heat-resistant, BPA-free rest features 4 slots, to hold multiple utensils like spoons, spatulas, and tongs. Its raised edges catch drips, while the non-slip base keeps it securely in place. Compact and dishwasher safe, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen for clutter-free cooking. Best for cooks wanting a clean, organized kitchen. Number 20, upgrade your kitchen with the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster on combo. This 26-quart powerhouse offers 24 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, and more. Its dual speed fan and 360 degrees hot air circulation ensure even cooking, while the stainless steel exterior adds a touch of elegance. With its large capacity and included accessories, it's perfect for families or entertaining. This all-in-one appliance saves space and energy, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Best for families or entertainers needing a versatile large-capacity appliance. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gadget reviews. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below, so you can easily find the perfect addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!